We tried out this trading strategy last week and it gave us amazing results. And right here in this video, I will be sharing with you how the strategy works using live chat. And of course, we're going to use this as an opportunity for us to learn how it works so that you can practice on your own to perfect it. And once you are able to perfect it, then you can go ahead and start using it. Okay. But I am really happy that we were able to use it together and it gave us beautiful results throughout last week, back-to-back winning opportunity for us. And congratulations to those of you who are able to pick up those signals within our channels. Okay, so before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question at all, kindly drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said, we actually tried out a particular strategy throughout last week. Okay, it is not a new strategy, it is still the same strategy which we have been using, just that we were able, I'm really happy that we were able to test it on different assets several times throughout last week, and of course it gave us amazing results. Okay, and I'm really happy that we are able to achieve that together. Okay, so what is the strategy which we actually tried out? Okay, the name of the strategy is actually called trend trading strategy, and I'm going to show you the exact way which I have been using this. Number one, I love using these on 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, or H1 time frame, depending on how fast I want to pick my signal. Okay, so right now I'm on 15-minute time frame. Okay, and this is what the strategy will do for us. Okay, it will help us to trade on a particular trend for a very long time. Okay, so it will help us to trade, for instance, this trend. We've been on this trend for like 2 weeks. Okay, on this particular asset, we started from here. We've been on it for like 2 weeks. It's been on downtrend like this for like 2 weeks. You can see it more than 2 weeks self. Okay, so that is the beauty of the trend. That is the beauty of the trend. So when you are on a particular trend for a very long time, you keep on milking the market till the very end of the trend. Okay, so you only need to change the trend or to change what you are trading before when whenever the trend is switching from a particular trend to another. Okay, so that is what is very, very important. Okay, so what do you need to do in order for you to maintain your stays trying to trade this trend? Number one, you need to know the current trend of the assets. Number two, you need to know when the trend is switching. Number three, you need to know your support and resistance zone. Number four, you need to know your entry point and your exit points, which also include you using a good management system. These are the 4 things you need to follow, the 4 basic things that you need to follow. So once you are able to achieve these 4 things, you are good to go. And one beautiful thing I love about this strategy is that it helps you to take away emotions whenever you are trading. Okay, it helps you to take away emotions whenever you are trading. So this is very, very important. So I'm going to quickly cite an example right here and show you how it works. Okay, for instance, this particular asset was on uptrend. It started the uptrend right from here and got to this region, this resistance zone. It was unable to break out from the resistance zone. So what did we experience? Okay, so when it got to the resistance zone, there are 2 things that can happen from there. It is either there is a breakout above it, or it switched the direction of the trend into a downtrend. And as you can see, it switched from this yellow color to this red color. The yellow color signifies that the market is on uptrend, while the red color signifies that the market is on downtrend. So when it switches into a downtrend, then we have something like this. So what do we need to do? We need to set up our trades. Okay, So the first thing is your entry point. So the red arrow will help us to know our entry point. So we've already added red arrow, so at the top. So what we just need to do is just to place our order. We placed our order right here, and we put our stop loss. After placing your order, the next thing is to set your stop loss. Okay, so I always mention this in most of my videos because your stop loss is very important. That is what will help it decide to misbehave. So right from there, I set my stop loss, I set my entry point, then I set my TPs, TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, TP5, and TP6. All these are on 15-minute time frame. So they are big enough. I mean, the TP sets are big enough to give us a lot of profit. Okay, so you can see all these 6 TPs were achieved easily, and thereafter it even broke out from this particular support region. And of course, as you can see, it gave us more selling opportunity. For those that are having this indicator, they would have adjusted. This is what we analyzed together and we put on our channels, both the YouTube and the Telegram channel. But for those that are having this trading indicator, they have the opportunity to milk it more because they will notice that they are still on the right side of the chart. Okay, which means they are still on the downtrend part of the chart. So they have the opportunity to keep on milking the market till this very stage. Okay, so this is very important. So that is how the trading strategy works. Okay, so right now it is at the support region. If it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will switch into an uptrend. Now let's see a few assets, and we want to check out what is happening with the assets, with different assets, and see what we can get from there. So this had been on downtrend for long. This is GainX 1200. It has been on downtrend right from here. This is where we started milking it. It's played around there for a while, but broke out below this support zone at this point to give us more selling opportunity. So right now it has gotten to another support region. So try to go back into an uptrend, but right now it is still it's trying to go back to see if it can retest this support region, and if it breaks out from there, it's going to sell more. Okay, so I can say that this is going fully into an uptrend at the moment because right now it is giving us a vibes that it's trying to check out the support zone again to see if it will be able to break out from there. If it breaks out from there, it will keep on selling. So this is still very much on downtrend right now until it is showing a serious sign that it is now going into an uptrend fully. Now let's check out GainX 999. This is GainX 999. This also was on downtrend right from here, and it had made an attempt to go back into an uptrend after getting to this support zone, but it later on came down to break out below it. Like I said, the market can misbehave anytime. Okay, and that was what happened around here. Tried to go back into an uptrend and it came back to break out below it, and of course it has gotten to another support zone, tried to go back into an uptrend but came back down again, and it has broken below it again, which means it's still going to sell more. Okay, so that is how it works. You can understand, you will notice that if you understand the way this strategy works, you will always be on the safe side. Okay, so that is one beautiful thing about it. Now let's check out PNX 1200, which was what we used right from the beginning. This actually started a downtrend right from here after switching from this yellow zone to the red zone. Okay, the yellow zone is the uptrend zone. So right now we are now on the red zone, which is the downtrend zone, and of course it is still selling, but if it breaks out below this, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will switch back into an uptrend. So it is still on downtrend at the moment. Let's just keep an eye on it to see if it's going to start a new trend right from there. Okay, and every necessary signals will definitely pop up before it will start. Okay, so now let's move on to PNX 999. PNX 999 started an uptrend from here. Okay, and we milked it. I'm really happy that we were able to milk it. TP1 achieved, 2 achieved, 3 achieved, 4 achieved, 5 achieved, 6 achieved, and 7 achieved. That's so amazing. Congratulations to those of you who are able to achieve that. So it's switched back into the red zone, which is a downtrend right from this resistance, and since it's unable to break out from there, and it sold till it got to this region, and ever since it has been playing around there for a while. Okay, so sell small, buy small, sell small, buy small. Okay, it has actually been playing around there for a while. However, I still expect it to come down and break out below it, below this side, in order for it to sell more. Okay, so that is it. So I still expect it to sell, but that decision, I mean that movement, will depend on what happens within this channel region where it is playing. Okay, so this is very, very important, because if it should break out above here, then definitely it's going to buy more, and we want to try out this resistance zone. But hopefully I believe it's going to break out below this side, so that it can give us more selling opportunity. So that is how it works. Okay, now let's check out FX volume 80. FX volume 80 has been on downtrend for over 2 weeks now, and we've actually milked this asset for long. Okay, and I'm really happy that we were able to do this. We started from here, and of course it kept on going down and down, breaking out from major support zones. And of course, like I said, that can happen, so that's not a new thing. Okay, it can happen. Right here also it broke out from there, so right now it has gotten to another support region. We don't know if it's going to break out from there or not. Okay, but it has gotten to another support region. Okay, so it has switched from this red zone to the yellow zone and trying to buy. However, if it goes back and break out below this support zone, that means it is still going to sell more. Okay, but if it does not, it will go fully into an uptrend and it's going to buy more. So be on the lookout. Trade this particular asset carefully, most especially if you want to start buying right from here. If you should notice, it broke out from different support zone. It broke out from here, it broke out from here, broke out from here also, and broke out from here. Okay, so different support zones that we actually expected it to go back into full uptrend, but it kept on breaking out from those support zones. Okay, so that is why you need to be very careful whenever you are trading this kind of assets that has been on a particular trend for a very long time. Okay, so this is very, very important. So guys, that is how it works. Just like I have said, you just need to understand how the strategy works, and of course you practice very well with it, and make sure you are able to perfect the skill. Once you perfect it, then you can start trying it out on your real account. For you to have, to be able to analyze it better and easily, okay, you can come for this trading tool. Okay, this particular trading tool, you can reach out to me via WhatsApp on it. Okay, so I will explain it to you. I will explain how you can get it installed on your system, so that you too can have your charts in this form also. Okay, but if you don't know, if you feel you can do your analysis on your own, you can go ahead and do your analysis without any stress. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you called Qora Digital Cash, and if you love this content, can you give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family.